Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices and enabling the settings that let them talk to each other. Make sure both Quest 2 and your Android are charged and on the same Wi-Fi network. This reduces connection drops. Install and sign into the Oculus app on Android using the same Meta account as the headset. Then, in the headset settings, enable any developer or experimental options required for ADB or linking. This unlocks the necessary permissions for the next steps. Once permissions are enabled, connect using the method that fits your goal. For cable link, plug a high-quality USB-C cable between Android or PC and Quest, accept the pairing prompts inside the headset, and confirm Oculus Link. If you prefer wireless, enable AirLink both in the headset and Oculus app, then pair over a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for lower latency. For side-loading apps, use ADB over Wi-Fi. Enable it on the headset, find the headset IP, you're almost done. Finalize and verify the connection before launching VR content. Make sure the headset displays an active link session and the app you want to use opens correctly. Update Oculus software on both devices if something won't start. If wireless performance is poor, move closer to the router, switch to 5 GHz, or temporarily use an Android hotspot to isolate network problems. For ADB issues, restart the ADB server and reboot the headset. Then reauthorize the connection when the headset prompts you to allow USB debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.